Hi, สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Sunisa Jamviset Daitas. I am co-founder of Gaya Ashram Eco Village and Eco Learning Center based in northeast of Thailand, Udon Thani province. We have been around since 2013. Gaya Ashram has been providing learning opportunities about sustainability to international students, international travelers, and providing volunteering and internship programs since then. Apart from that, we also working with local communities and local schools to share with them our knowledge and experience around sustainability. Our current project with the local school is to build an eco school building in collaboration with the local villagers and also the teachers and the students at the school. The reason we are doing this project is because there is a need for a new school building for students of kindergarten class because the building they are currently used is quite broke because of the termite, and it's also because of the building itself. It is very old and it is unsafe to put our children in that building. For this building, until now, we have completed about 20% of the construction, both with the roof and with the wall building. We are looking for support to help us build this building with the green roof, solar energy that will power the building, and also with a lot of hands to help building the construction of the wall. So please supporting us to share this and inspire more people to see that it is possible to build sustainably, and also to be a center of the learning for the local people and the local school, and hopefully it will inspire the education department to take on and share with other schools as well. Thank you.